Welcome, my name is Taylor Donohoe and I am a pre-service teacher at Murdoch University. So today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to make a solar system using Kids Astronomy. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go to Google and you're going to enter in Kids Astronomy. Once that loads, it's going to come up with a few websites, but to make sure you're clicking on the right one, make sure it says Astronomy for Kids. Once that loads, it's going to go to its home page and there's going to be a few options that you can click on, but making sure that you're clicking onto games. Once the games page has loaded, you can see there's a few games that you can click from, but to ensure you're on the right one, make sure it's Make a Solar System. So as you see, when you click on Make a Solar System, it comes up onto the main page of it, and it gives you the option of your menu and your instructions. The instructions are very brief, which is good though, as students can read that if they don't get the chance to speak to you straight away. Once you're ready to start, what you can do is you can add in your planets, create your asteroid belts, and create your comets. So I'll show you. I'll add in Mercury, Mars, and an asteroid belt, and a comet. So as you can see, it's all gone and loaded onto the page. If you're ready to remove the comets and the asteroids, they're both the same with you just entering remove and remove. But with the planets, it's a little bit different. So I'll show you. With the planets, you're going to have to click onto what planet you want. And to either move it around, you're going to click and drag it. Or if you're wanting to get rid of it altogether, you can collide it with another planet. Or you can click on it and put it on the sun and it will eventually burn it, which will get rid of it. So I hope that this tutorial has helped.